Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn to Earn, and in this video we will discuss about the HTML elements. So without wasting our time we will discuss. Let's start. What is element? Element. It is defined by the start tag and some content within the tag and an end tag. This is HTML element. HTML element, you will see any element in HTML that will start with tag name, and here your content will be there, and this tag will be closed by the backward slash tag name. This is HTML element. Like another language, if you want to say that what is element, everything from start tag to the end tag is HTML element. Let's have an example. Example will be there. What will be example? Here we are going to take a heading element, and here welcome to our channel Learn to Earn. And here this tag will be closed by the backward slash and tag name. Another example, you can create a paragraph by using paragraph tag P, and here this is the example of HTML paragraph tag. Here you can close it. In HTML you can use nested HTML element. Nested, what means by nested? Nested elements, HTML elements, it is nothing but when you are using a tag within a tag, it is called nested tag. Like if you want a tag like paragraph tag, and this is the example of nested HTML tag. Here you can close this paragraph, and nested, what is nested? Here you can use I tag, that is if you want to italic your content within I tag, you can write, and that content will show on website on italic format. And all HTML document consist of nested HTML element as well. Let's have an example of why we are saying that all HTML document consist of nested element. Let's new file, create a new file, and here doc type HTML and HTML start tag and end tag, and within this is a tag, and within this tag we are going to insert a new tag like head then we can say that all HTML document is using nested element. Here you can use title, this is element example, and title tag will be close. And after head tag we will open body tag. Within body tag we will write anything which we want to show on our website, like H2. This will smaller size of heading, smaller than H1. Example element. Okay, let's save it with the example of element file. Save element. Here we will, sorry, I saved this as text, and we will all file we have to given here .htm or html as you want. You can give this as a HTML element example. Here you can see that I'm writing some capital or some small. We are using some small letters and some capital letters, like we can say that HTML is not case sensitive. And here some example of self-closing tags like BR for break the line. This is a self-closing tag, or you can see empty HTML element tag. And one thing that you should remember कि never miss an end tag. But in some cases, if you forget end tag, it will never affect on your code. It will show correctly on your website. But it is a not good practice, so we should avoid this, and we should take care of all the parameters and all the tags. Let's have a look how it will open. Okay, click on element, and you can see here element example element and element.html. Always remember this, that here your page will be display, and this is a title that you have given. This is element example. Guys, thanks for watching.